All right, hey, I'm going to go over the new compensation plan changes that are going into effect on June 1st. I've tried to make this super visual, super easy to understand, but I definitely recommend downloading the comp plan PDF that corporate has given us, just so you can look that over as well. This information does not replace what corporate is sharing, just to be used as a supplemental training. Okay, let's get going. So excited, you guys. Okay, so after analysis, over the year, over all of last year, 98% of all presenters will make more money with this new compensation plan if they do the same activity as they did last year. So super exciting. This is not necessarily based from 1 month to 1 month because that could vary, but over the whole year, if you take your average over the whole year, you should make more money. So it's very exciting, you guys. Okay. So the new compensation plan does start on June 1st, 2022. So we are going to get right to the details. And I've broken this into 3 simple parts for you. So part 1 is your personal commissions, aka your retail royalties. So you can take a snapshot of this if you want, but monthly tiered retail royalties. So basically, in a nutshell, everyone is going to start at 20% commission. So if you have hit yellow status in the past, don't worry. I'm going to talk about how you can still get paid the same amount, okay? But everyone's going to start at 20% commission. The more you sell in a month, the more you will earn, okay? Now, the exciting thing about this is you're in total control of this. This is not based anything on your team. This is just on what you personally sell. And then, so you start out 20% commission, but you can earn extra. So the more you sell, the more you earn, the higher your commission will get. And that extra percentage that you'll earn will be paid out on the 8th of the following month. So here's some examples. So if you sell anywhere from 1 PRS to $4.99, you will make the 20% commission. Okay, so you can see that middle column there is what you'll make in addition to the 20%. The column on the right is going to be your total commission. So I'm just going to talk about the total commissions, okay? So if you sell in between $500 and $999 PRS in a calendar month, you're going to make that 25% commission, okay? Cool beans. All right, now if you sell between $1,000 and $2,499, you're going to make 30% commission. So again, the way that works is you'll make 20% commission on the instant royalty. So that getting paid in the 3 hours, right? That's the 20% that's going to come to you. But then at the end of the month, the next following month on the 8th, that's when you get paid those bonuses, those extras. That's when you're going to get that extra 10% off of your sales. So hopefully that makes sense, right? You'll get paid the 20% 3 hours after the sale. And then after the month ends on the 8th, the following month, you'll get paid the extra 10%, okay? Next row down, if you sell between $2,500 and $4,999, you're going to get an extra 15% after the month ends for a total of 35% commission on your retail sales. And then if you sell over $5,000, you're going to make, you guys are going to make 40% commission, which Younique has never done. That's amazing, okay? Younique has never done that before. So basically, again, how that works, you're going to make 20% commission throughout the month, right? 3 hours after each sale, everyone's going to get that 20% commission. And then based on what you end your month on, you're going to get that extra percentage in your royalties. And that will be paid out on the 8th the following month. So super exciting, you guys. Now, I'm a numbers person, so I'm going to show you some numbers. But you guys, you can earn up to 40% commission without a team. Again, Younique has never done that before. So there's so much in your control on what you can earn. And then again, all instant retail royalties are still paid out within those 3 hours. So that does not change in your PayQuicker account, just like normal. All right, so I am a numbers person. So let's just talk about some numbers because what really matters is how much money is going in your pocket, right? So here's some examples, and I put them tied to a number of collagen subscriptions because cool thing about collagen subscriptions is not only are you going to get that in 1 month, but if your customers continue to subscribe month after month, they renew, right? It's a recurring subscription. You're going to be doing that each month for at least a while, right? For as long as they're on the subscription. So If you sell 178 PRS, you're going to earn $35.60. That's just 2 collagen subscriptions, you guys. Sell 534 PRS, you're going to earn $133.50. I'm doing these in US dollars. My apologies to all the other countries that we are in. For simplification, I'm sticking with US dollars. So that's just 6 collagen subscriptions, you guys. Six collagen subscriptions. Awesome. Okay, if you have 1,068 PRS, you're going to earn $320. Okay, that's like a car payment, right? Isn't it a car payment? That's just 12 collagen subscriptions. And that doesn't mean you have to sell that each month, right? That's getting up to 12 collagen subscriptions and then maintaining that. All right, if you sell 2,581 PRS, I know these are kind of odd numbers, right? But they just work with the math of collagen. You're going to earn $903, you guys. For a lot of you, that's your groceries, right? Okay, so I have a family of 4, so that's like that's my groceries. Maybe that's higher than your groceries. That's only 29 collagen subscriptions. And then if you you want that 40% commission and you sell 5,073 PRS, you guys, that's over $2,000. $2,000, that is a legit, that's a job, okay? That's a job you might have to be doing working for someone else that you could do with your own business. So no team is required for any of these examples. This is completely based on your own sales, your own personal retail sales or PRS. Oh, so exciting. Okay, part 2. We're not even to all the good, that's just the first part, okay? Let's get to the second part. It keeps getting better. Fast start bonuses. Okay. So what these are is basically when you have somebody join you, you sponsor somebody, and you help them to get started. During their first 90 days, you can earn extra commissions off of what they are selling. Think of it as kind of a training bonus. Like you're helping them and you're going to get paid on their sales. This is amazing. Seriously amazing, you guys. Okay. So these have to be presenters that you've personally sponsored, so they're in your first level, and they have to be within their first 90 days. We call that their fast start period. So that's why this is called fast start first level, okay? Let me go back. Fast start first level bonus. Okay, so it's based off your first level wholesale volume of those in their first 90 days. I said that 3 different ways, so hopefully that makes sense. So if you can see here, on the left is the combined fast start first level wholesale sales. So your new presenters that are in their first 90 days, they're wholesale. And wholesale is 75% of retail. Okay? So if you help a couple people that sign up with you sell, up to $4.99, you're going to get 5% off of their sales. If you help them sell between $500 and $9.99, you're going to get 10%. Okay, if you help them sell between $1,000 and $299, that's 15%. And then you guys, holy cow, if you help them sell over $3,000 in PRS, you're going to make 20% commission. Okay, now it's not just in 1 month, right? This is over the 90 days. So this is calculated in a calendar month. But a lot of times when somebody joins, maybe their first month is a little bit lower, but then their second month might be higher because now they're starting to understand how to work the business and they're growing the business. So this is really, really exciting. The potential is really huge. So again, I'm going to give you some solid number examples. So fast start first level volume. Let's say you help your new presenters I'm just going to put June, okay, because this starts in June. In June, you help your new presenters sell $500 between however many people you sponsor. You're going to get $50. Sweet. Let's say in July, you help your new presenters do a combined $1,000 because not only do you have your presenters from June that are selling, right? But now you've just sponsored some more presenters in July. So between those 2 groups, now you've done $1,000 in fast start wholesale volume. And now you're earning $150 off of those new presenters. And then let's say, so June, July, August, you bring in another group of presenters and you have some rock stars in there. And between those 3 groups, June, July, August, in August, they all sell over $3,000. Again, this is wholesale, okay, not retail. So wholesale, that's $600, okay? $600. My mind's blown. That's amazing, okay? All right, part 3, ranks and rank bonuses. So some of this has changed a little bit, so definitely pay attention here. We have 2 new ranks, which is really exciting. And I didn't put the purple and black on the bottom here, which I should have. But we have coral and a teal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go through all of the ranks and let you know any changes, what's new, what's different, and what you need to be aware of. I especially want you to pay attention to the first few ranks because there are some important changes. So listen up. Okay, so first, white status. If you aren't aware of this, anyone that joins Younique as a brand new presenter is automatically white status. There is nothing that you need to do to become or promote to a white status presenter. It is on our chart, but there's nothing that you need to do. Okay, you are automatically a white status presenter. Okay, so in a calendar month, if you sell between 0 and 124 PRS, you will be paid as white status, which is going to be that base 20% commission. Okay, now I did want to add a note here that in order to just remain an active presenter with Younique, you do need to have 125 PRS every rolling 90 days. That is not different. Nothing about this white status is different. Okay, this is completely the same as it was before, has not changed. I just want to make sure you know that. Okay, now yellow status has changed. So this is really important, you guys. Yellow status is no longer a lifetime rank. I'm actually kind of happy about that because it's always been a little confusing to train, help new presenters get started and explain the different ranks. It's always confusing when people try to go from yellow to pink. Anyways, as a leader, I find it's always confusing. So I'm really happy about this change. So it's no longer a lifetime rank. Now, if you've already promoted to yellow or above, your rank is not going to be taken away from you as far as your qualified status. So if you are currently yellow status, you will be recognized at yellow status. Okay, that's not being taken away. But to be paid as yellow, it will be a little bit different. So starting June 1st, to promote to yellow status and to be paid at yellow status, you need to reach 125 PRS in a calendar month. Okay, so to be paid at that yellow status each month, you need to have 125 PRS. That 125 is also going to unlock the ability to earn that 20 to 40% commission, right? So white status is stuck. I'll say stuck. If you're under 125, you're at 20% commission, okay? But then once you sell over 125, you're going to bump up to the ability to get 20 to 25, 30, 40% commission, okay? And it also unlocks your ability to earn those fast start bonuses. So those bonuses I just talked about, fast start, that is available for yellow status and above. Okay? Hopefully that all makes sense. Okay. Now, 125 is really the minimum. I always encourage everyone to aim for because then you never have to worry about going inactive. And it's only 5 mascaras. Okay? So it's really, really simple to do, or 2 collagen subscriptions. All right. So just in a nutshell, yellow status, 125 PRS in a calendar month, you'll earn between 20 to 40% commissions, and you'll get 5 to 20% of those fast start first level royalties. Awesome sauce. Okay, let's keep going. Coral status. This is a new rank, you guys. So excited. I am so excited. Okay, so the requirements for coral status are 250 PRS. That's your own personal retail sales. 1,000 CWS is company wholesale. That means you and your team, so anyone on your team, 75% of retail. Okay, so you and your team, whatever you are selling, take the retail and multiply it by 0.75. That's how you get 75%, and that's your wholesale. Don't worry, the company tells you these numbers in your back office, so you don't actually have to calculate these. And then 1 qualified first level presenter. So qualified is basically the same as yellow status. Okay? So it's 125. It is exactly the same as yellow status. So if you have 1 person on your team that qualifies at yellow status, that 125, boom, that's your qualified first level presenter. And you're going to get 20 to 40% commissions, 5 to 20% of those fast start first level royalties, and then you're going to get 3% off of your circle. That means you're going to make 3% off of your team. Now that circle is wholesale. Okay, so again, that's 75% of retail. So if you and your team are doing 1,000, okay, in that company wholesale, you're gonna make 3% of whatever of 1,000, which I can't do that in my head at the moment. No, that's really easy to do in my head. What am I talking about? 3%. Oh my gosh. Anyways, hopefully you guys make sense. It's not hard to do in my head, but I can't think and talk and record all at the same time and do math. Okay. So coral is super exciting. I have a feeling we're going to have so many people hitting coral in June. I'm super, super excited. Pink status, The requirements have not changed for pink status. They're exactly the same. So take a screenshot of this if you need to, but I'm going to keep going. But the earnings, the only thing that has changed, okay, so earnings, 20 to 40% commissions, that 5 to 20% of that fast start bonus that we talked about, 4% circle royalties. That is a pay raise, you guys. So you're going to make more off your circle than you did before as pink status. But then there's more, okay? $100 advancement bonus. So the first time you promote to pink, you're going to get a $100 bonus. Now, if you promote in your first 90 days, if you're a brand new presenter and you promote during your fast start period, again, first 90 days, all of these advancement bonuses are double. So for pink, that means you're going to get $200 when you advance to pink. Oh my gosh, that's awesome, you guys. So if you're new, like, go for pink. And then you get $50 paid as bonus. So what the paid as bonus means is every time that you qualify at pink in that calendar month, not the first time, but just any time after that, right? Anytime you qualify at pink, you're going to get a $50 paid as bonus. So if you've not hit pink before and you hit pink in June for the very first time, you're going to get your advancement bonus. So whether it's 100 or if you're in the first 90 days, 200, plus your paid as bonus. So you get both. They're stackable. Pretty awesome. And then going forward, if you qualify at pink, you'll get the paid as bonus. All right, let's move on to blue. Requirements have not changed. Earnings, 24 to 40% commission, just like pink. 5 to 20% fast start royalties, just like pink. 5% circle royalties, that's pay raise. Woo! Yeah, it used to be 4%, now it's 5%. $150 advancement bonus when you hit pink or blue, for the first time. If you're in your first 90 days, that's going to be a $300 bonus, which is massive, plus the $75 paid as bonus. So every month you're paid at blue, you get $75 bonus. Teal. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. This is a brand new rank. We've been begging for teal for like literally 7 years. I'm so excited, okay? So obviously these requirements are new because this rank wasn't here before. So the requirements for Teal Status are 500 PRS, 7,000 company wholesale. So many of you, there's so many of you that are going to be promoting to this rank or hitting at this rank. I'm so excited for you. 3 qualified first level presenters. Again, that's 3 people that on your first level, okay, on your first level that are selling 125. Basically, they're hitting yellow. And then your earnings. So same 25 to 40% commission. Now, why does it say 25 instead of 20%? It says 25% commission to start with because you're selling 500 PRS. So you just bumped yourself automatically to that next tier up for the PRS, okay? 5 to 20% fast start royalties, just like yellow and above. 5% circle royalties. $250 advancement bonus. If you're in your first 90 days, that will be a $500 bonus. And then $125 paid as bonus. Each month you're paid at teal. Let's go to green. So green is our start of our elite status, leadership, elite and above. Green status requirements have not changed. Earnings, 25 to 40% commissions, 5 to 20% fast start first level royalties. Okay, so that's the same as teal. 5% circle royalties, $500 advancement bonus. So the first time you hit green, you get a $500 bonus. And then if you're in your first 90 days, you get a $1,000 bonus, right? Because it's doubled. Every time you're paid at green, you're going to get a $250 bonus. And then if you have a leader under you, now this is different, this is new, this is awesome. So if you have a leader that promotes under you, you earn 5% off of their circle. This is really big because before, when somebody hit elite, you actually drop down to 3% on their circle. And this is no longer the case. So what you make on your own circle is 5%. And when you have a leader breakaway is what it's called, you're still going to make 5% off their team as well, which is awesome. Like so awesome, you guys. You have no idea. Orange status requirements are the exact same. Earnings, again, 25 to 40% commission, 5 to 20% fast start first level royalties, 5% off your circle, just like green, and $700 advancement bonus when the first time you hit orange. If you do it in your first 90 days, number one, you're an amazing rock star, okay? And you'll get double that, so $1,400. Every time you're paid at orange, you'll get a $350 bonus. 5% off your first gen. So that's your first leader that breaks away. So somebody hitting green status or above is what that first gen is. First generation, I'm using some abbreviations here. You get 4% off your second generation. Okay, cool stuff. Purple status. So requirements are the same. Earnings, 25 to 40% commission, 5 to 20% fast start first level royalties. So I'm going through fast. 5% circle royalties. So this is slightly different. Before, Purple's made 6% off of their circle. It went down to 5%, but don't worry. You're getting more in return, okay? So less focus on your circle and more focus on your elites. You're going to get a $1,000 advancement bonus when you hit Purple, double if you're in your first 90 days, $500 paid as bonus every time you get paid at Purple. And then your first gen, this is huge, 5%. It used to be 3%. So again, pay raise here. 4% off your second gen. And then this is brand new, you guys. Purple status has never been paid on their third gen. So as a Purple status, you now get paid 3% off of your third gen. That is going to be a massive, massive pay raise for many, many Purples. Okay. Black status requirements are the same. Earnings, 25 to 40% commissions, 5 to 20% fast start first level royalties, 5% circle royalties. So just like Purple, that went down, I think 1%. But again, you're going to make up for that with all the other bonuses. Trust me. $3,000 advancement bonus. So the first time you hit Black status, it's a $3,000 bonus. Double if you do it in your first 90 days. $1,500 paid as bonus every time you get paid as Black status. And then 5% off your first gen, 4% off your second gen, 3% off your third gen. And then you guys, I might cry. 2% off of your fourth gen. Again, Black status has never been paid on their fourth gen, so this is huge. Now, I'm not going to go through all the details of Black status 1, 2, and 3. If you are at that level, I'm assuming you're going to educate yourself on all the possibilities and requirements and everything like that. But I do want to just make a couple notes of just the main changes. Black status 1, 2, and 3 are now paid 2% on their fourth gen and 1% on their fifth generation. Again, new awesome stuff. Okay, now 1% may seem like a small number, but it is a massive amount that you're getting paid 1% on. So that is a huge addition to the check. Advancement bonuses ranging from $5,000 to $3,000 the first time you promote. And then paid as bonuses. So each time you get recognized and paid at Black status 1, 2, or 3, it ranges from $2,500 to $15,000 in that month. Okay, massive bonuses. Okay, massive money to be earned with this company. Massive bonuses. All right, you guys. So that's the ranks. Those are the three main parts of the compensation plan. So the first part we talked about were just your own retail royalties from 20 to 40%. The second part we talked about was the fast start first level royalties. I called it a bonus. Corporate actually has it said as fast start first level royalties. And then the third part is our ranks and the bonuses that you get at your rank. So a couple important changes that I just want to make sure everyone's aware of. Car bonus has been replaced. So you'll notice there's no car bonus. However, the money is still there. It's been replaced with rank paid as and maintenance bonuses for your rank. Both of those combined have the potential to be way higher than what the car bonus would have been. And then 25% commission at yellow. Okay, that's what was before. Before, once you hit yellow status, you made 25% commission from then on out, right? That's been replaced with 20 to 40% commission. Again, actually giving you the ability to make more money, higher commissions, not limiting you to that 25%. Same thing with elites. We used to have a 5% elite royalties. Okay, so at the end of the month, the elites got paid an extra 5%. That's been changed so that you're still making that 25% commission. Don't worry, that's not gone away. But now you have the ability to make 40% commission. And then no more breakaway takeaway. So when you have an elite promote, your circle royalties doesn't decrease. So it used to go from 5% down to 3%. Now you're still going to make 5% off the circle. And then much deeper generation payouts at orange status and above. So orange, purple, and black, much deeper payouts. So the deeper leaders that you have, you're going to get paid on those. That's really, really exciting. So I know I talked really fast. I hope this is super helpful. I'm including on this the link to the screenshots of this, so the actual links, so you can go through and look at it in much more detail, or save them to your phone, or whatever you need to do. If you have any questions about the comp plan, please go to your upline leaders and ask for some insight, or you can always contact support for more clarification. Thanks for watching and hope this was helpful.